Woke up and just felt right. Phone blown like a tailpipe. Today's schedule airtight. I turn a short day into a long night.
Good morning. It is January 26, 2018, and I just weighed myself in down to 189.2. That's 2.4 pounds down since I weighed myself yesterday in the morning. So I think what I'm doing with the fat reducing is definitely working, because these are the kind of losses I was used to seeing while just doing regular keto with high fat. So yeah, good stuff. That's a good way to start the day.
Hey, Dan. What you doing, Bubba? You ready to go to the store? Yeah, you're going to go shopping with Daddy? We're going to make some breakfast muffins. What you know about breakfast muffins? Yummy. Oh my God. Smells so good out here. So nice. It just rained all night last night, and there's a smell out here. It's just, I can't even describe. It's like wood smoke mixed with fresh Irish springy deliciousness. It's a beautiful day out here. So yeah, we're off to the store. We're gonna go get some ingredients to cook these muffins, and yeah, I'm gonna show you one of my favorite breakfasts. It's delish. Aiden, Bo Baden, what's going on with you, man? Are you ready for a store adventure? Did you get any of that cereal bar in your mouth? Jeez, you crummy kid.
I'm back in the kitchen, I'm doing my dance when I'm cooking up. I'm with the dealers and they in the trap, no interruption, they cooking up. 220 the car, she look in the air, she seeing the stars and she looking up. They hear my name, they see what I'm doing, and I got them waiting to look me up. I'm cooking up, I'm hitting your bitch that I'm cooking up. I'm cooking up, I'm hitting the lick that I'm cooking up. I'm back on my shit, I'm back in the kitchen, I'm doing my dance when I'm cooking up. I'm with the dealers and they in the trap, no interruption, they cooking up. I'm back on my shit, I'm back in the kitchen, I'm doing my dance when I'm cooking up. Your bitch, she be feeling to look me up. Came out with the dance and I shook it up. Your bitch, she a thotty, she get on her knees, she giving me top and she looking up. It's hit 8 o'clock, gotta make my drop, so I gotta hurry and cook it up. I rush to the bit, I found me in 6, I'm feeling, I know that it's lit. On the road with your bitch, she taking them risks, just pop me a zig cause it's lit. I take me a trip, they playing my song, I got them like this is my shit. I get in her ribs, I catch me the spits, I put my pants and I get it. They wanna know how to cook up, they like KJ teach me how to do it. Get low and cook left to your right, after that you can really get to it. Cook up, this the dance of the summer, when it's hot, go my dance on a Hummer. You can never compare me to niggas, cause I am the plug and your man is a runner. Your bitch on the gang and you love her, I only one night I don't cover. I gotta put her on, make sure that we eat, so we cooking up with each other. Look me up, yeah, my shit doing numbers. I keep the hits coming like thunder. Like I said, did the dance of the summer, so live with each other and dance like no other. I'm back on my shit, I'm back in the kitchen, I'm doing my dance when I'm cooking up. I'm with the dealers and they in the trap, no interruption, they cooking up. 220 the car, she look in the air, she seeing the stars and she looking up. They hear my name, they see what I'm doing, and I got them waiting to look me up. I'm cooking up, I'm hitting your bitch that I'm cooking up. I'm cooking up, I'm hitting the lick that I'm cooking up. I'm back on my shit, I'm back in the kitchen, I'm doing my dance when I'm cooking up. I'm with the dealers and they in the trap, no interruption, they cooking up. I'm cooking up. I'm cooking up, I'm back on my shit, I'm back in the kitchen, I'm doing my dance when I'm cooking up. I'm with the dealers and they in the trap, no interruption, they cooking up. Cooking up. cooking up. I'm back on my shit, I'm back in the kitchen, I'm doing my dance when I'm cooking up. I with the dealers and they in the trap, no interruption, they cooking up.
All right, so we are done. We've got our spinach and egg muffins done, cooked, looking amazing. They pick up the nice texture. They're delicious. And here's the good news about that. You have 12 of them, which means for the next 6 days, you can have 2 of them for breakfast and your breakfast is set. You ain't got to worry about nothing. And there's a lot of variations you can do on these. Obviously, you can like cook up some sausage, some bacon, whatever kind of meat or whatever. Just experiment a little bit. You can put some different seasonings in there. You can put garlic in there, Italian herbs, basil, like all kinds of different herbs. You can play with it, but it's pretty much that simple. You just whip it all up, put it in a muffin pan, and cook it off. You've got 2 muffins for the next 6 days, so your week as far as breakfast is set. Alright, I'm taking care of you guys, and it's delicious. Man, you have those 2 muffins with like a cup of almond milk or something in the morning, you're good to go. I guarantee you are not gonna be hungry for a few hours. Perfect amount of fat, delicious and satiating, exactly what we're looking to achieve with ketogenic cuisine. Alright, yeah, so that is what breakfast meal prep looks like for the ketogenic diet for 1 week. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that. Hopefully it's easy to follow. Do me a favor, hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned, man. I'm gonna get you guys dialed in with everything you need to do this the right way. Ketogenic diet for fat loss, not just for maintenance, but for fat loss, because we want to get rid of that fat. We want to look better naked, you know what I mean? Ain't nothing wrong with that. All right, peace.
Yeah, I like to keep it mellow. I smoke and keep it mellow. I drink and keep it mellow. Every day I keep